மதுரை பொதுக்கூட்டத்தில் பாரதிய ஜனதா தேசிய தலைவர் ஜே.பி. நட்டா பேசினார்.
மாதா கி பாரத் மாதா கி வீர வீர வீரவேல் வீர வீர வீரவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல் भारतीय जनता कच्ची भारतीय जनता कच्ची வணக்கம்.
சட்டசபை தேர்தலில் அதிமுக மற்றும் ஒத்த கருத்துள்ள கட்சிகளுடன் இணைந்து போட்டியிட பாரதிய ஜனதா முடிவு செய்துள்ளதாக கூறினார்.
In coming times, I would like to share with you and declare here that Bharatiya Janata Party has decided that in coming times in the elections, BJP along with All India Anna DMK and along with the like-minded parties will be going for the election. I would only like to suggest you that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party which is going to take people along with confidence and see to it that development takes place countrywide and also in Tamil Nadu. The past experience shows that under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, he has taken care of the development in Tamil Nadu. If we talk about the nation and if we talk about the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, may it be COVID management, may it be issue related to vaccination, may it be issue related to the security of borders, it has been care taken by the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi. So I, on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Party, would like to request to you that Tamil Nadu needs a mainstreaming, and mainstreaming is possible only with Bharatiya Janata Party. The issues which one is facing in Tamil Nadu also, they can be addressed with the support of Prime Minister Modi, that is Bharatiya Janata Party.
பாரதிய ஜனதா நடத்திய வேல் யாத்திரை 2 வெற்றிகளை தந்துள்ளது. முதலாவது ஸ்டாலினை வேலை தூக்க வைத்தது, மற்றொன்று தைப்பூசத்திற்கு தமிழக அரசு பொது விடுமுறை அறிவித்தது எனவும் அவர் பெருமிதத்துடன் கூறினார்.
We have seen that all infrastructural development has taken place in past 6 years during the NDA regime, and it is because Prime Minister Modi has taken special care of Tamil Nadu. But friends, here I would like to share with you. If I talk about the DMK, if I talk about the parties who have been anti-culture and anti-Tamilian culture, they have been anti-national, in the sense that all the nationals' inspirations are always rejected and not supported by the DMK government. And if I talk about the anti-development part, the DMK is synonym to anti-development. I am not saying just for saying. Somebody has got irritation if vibhuti is given on his hand. Somebody has got irritation when kumkum is given or put on his forehead. What does this mean? Somebody talks about, nowadays I see that some leaders are handing veil in their hand and trying to show that they have got respect for culture. Those are being forced to do it because Bharatiya Janata Party has taken a vow to see to it that the Tamilian culture is protected and brought forward. That is what we are doing. So I would like to suggest all of you that with your support and your political support, your social support, if you want that the Tamilian culture is protected, it is only possible when Bharatiya Janata Party and mainstreaming is done. So for all these factors, once again I request to you, I can see the enthusiasm in the crowd. It took me some 25 minutes for just reaching this venue. For the last 100 meters, it took me 25 meters to come here. The enthusiastic crowd was so enthusiastic that it became difficult for me to reach to the dais. But this enthusiasm is to be also converted to support base and see to it that the society supports and the Kamalam blossoms here in Tamil Nadu in coming time. That is what I would like to request.